So I thought that today I wanted to have like quite a nice chilled out day. I've not really got ready today. Like I've literally just like put on a bit of like cream on my face with lip tint and a tiny bit of mascara. And I just thought I'm gonna do like a bake with me vlog. I want to make some mini egg cookies because like mini eggs are back in the shops now more because it's nearly Easter. Well, a month till Easter, but I've just really wanted to make these mini egg cookies. I saw the recipe and they look really good, so that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. I'm going to take you on like a bake with me vlog. So I've got all my main ingredients here: self-raising flour, eggs, caster sugar, brown sugar and butter, and obviously mini eggs. I'm just preheating my oven to 200. So I'm adding in 125 grams of butter, now 115 grams of my soft brown sugar. It's not coming out though because it's stuck in a lump there. There we go, that's enough of that. Now I need to add my caster sugar in. I need 110 of this. There we go. I've got out my electric whisker to do this because it's way easier to do it than by hand.
You need help.
This is my little helper, thank you. So Toby is creaming together the butter and the sugar and also getting everywhere. So the butter and sugar is now cream. So now I need to add in my egg and some...
Fall.
You nearly fell off, did you?
I nearly.
My egg and vanilla extract. Put it into there. Very good, very good. So the egg and vanilla extract has gone in and now I'm gonna mix it up with the whisk. So we've got 220 grams of flour, which I'm gonna put into the mix now. So I'm gonna start mixing that in and then I'll use the whisk a little bit and then I'll mix it again just because I don't want the flour to literally go everywhere.
Courtney,
yeah?
What do we need now?
Then we'll put the mini eggs in, yeah?
Yeah!
So you can now see that it's literally forming into a dough. So I'm gonna mix this until it's quite formed and then I've put my mini eggs into like a food bag and then I'm gonna like crack them up with a rolling pin. I'm pouring my cracked up mini eggs into this bowl now. What are you saying?
I want some more.
Toby's eating them all. Sampling the merchandise. The mini eggs are now all mixed in, so I'm just going to break off like 6 golf ball sizes and then put them onto my ready line tray here. Just like this sort of size, and then I'm popping them on and just pressing them down. It's got 3 so far. It's actually done 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to put them in for literally 7 minutes. Here they are after 8 minutes. I'm just going to leave them to cool. And I can confirm they taste very good, especially like the bits where the mini egg is melted. They're really good. You should definitely make these.